Welcome to Facebook Ad Fridays, where we build ads to find motivated sellers online. I am your host, JT with Silver Street Marketing, and we will be going over some awesome ad templates. Remember, you can download all these just by visiting the link below. You can go ahead and start editing them and using them yourself inside of your own ads. We're excited. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, excited to build a new ad with you today. What we're going to do is we are going to use one of these templates on the side and make something look a little bit different that maybe wasn't meant for real estate. See if we can work with it. Now, this is one I've tested in the past and I've actually liked, so I'm going to be building it off of a past ad, a little bit similar. And it's going to be using this image right here. So we're going to load this up. And you might be thinking, well, that's kind of different. Probably, you know, I don't know, that, you know, just seems a little bit harder to turn into a real estate specific ad. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to start with this headline here. And so we're going to do sell fast cash. Okay, let's look. All right, so we got that there. We're going to move this out of the way for a sec. Delete this actually. Delete that guy. We're just move this going over here. So sell fast cash. What we need to do is just add a little extra in here. So we're going to go into our text options. I'm going to select this guy. I'm going to ungroup this. And I'm going to use this top one. And let's see. I like a little bit better. I think I like the capitalized a little bit better. So we're going to take that off. Remove this down here. Just a little bit smaller. I'm going to rotate this a little bit more. And I'm going to make this one slightly different color. Probably like add kind of that yellow background to it. Because what we're going to do is we're going to change this main image here. So we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to use a stock photo. And now we've got a photo on the backdrop. We're going to make it a little bit more transparent. I don't really like it being a yellow transparency. I'd rather have it be kind of a whiter transparency. So which means we need to change this guy. So that yellow stands out still and kind of brings the eye in here to the for cash. And now I'm going to delete this guy out. You could, if you wanted, add like a logo on this side or like a little button. But I really like just something really plain, simple, easy to go. And I've tested this ad with different pictures in the background before and played with this text here and actually have seen a lot of good results. So there's a lot of things that can come from this and can generate some really good leads. But remember, keeping it simple will always be the main goal, because we don't want people confused when they look at our ad. We want people to kind of get the gist of it, or enough to keep it simple to spark their interest to start looking more into it. So sell fast for cash with a picture of a house in the background. You know, if you wanted to, you could even find a house that has like a for sale sign back here. That might even look, you know, that might even capture somebody's attention a little bit more, because it would kind of be a little bit more simple for them knowing that, oh, you know, there's a for sale sign. They're talking about selling the house fast for cash. But anyways, guys, that's a quick little rundown today. Remember, you can download all these ads by clicking the link below. It's adding up, guys. I mean, every day there's more and more they're adding to this. I don't know when we'll stop it. So, you know, 16 of them right now that you can hop right in, download them, and use them yourself. So check it out. All right, guys, talk to you later.